Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we were discussing Java HTML methods, and this is the part 2 of that. So, let's continue on the same. So, the next method that we are going to discuss is the limit. So, what limit does is it limits number of elements from the stream. So, let's look at that. List string limited names dot stream dot limit 2, and then we are going to collect it. Okay, limited names. So in the list currently what we have is 4 names, and we have limited it to 2, right? Let's just run this, and we get 2 names, Emma and John. Okay, now we have distinct. So what distinct does is it removes duplicates. Oops, duplicates from the stream. So for that, we need to have duplicates in our list, right? So let's have another Emma. So we have 2 Emma, and rest of the names are coming up once. And we are going to remove the duplicates in this. So list of stream, unique names, so names dot stream dot distinct dot collect, which takes collectors dot to list. Okay, and why do we see this? Okay, so it won't be stream, but it will be string. And let's just unique names. Let's just run this, and we are getting all the names just once. Okay, next, skip. So as what it suggests by its name, it skips the first n elements in the stream. Okay, it's the first n elements from the stream. So let's see this. We want to skip the first name. Okay, so the first name that we have right now is Emma. Okay, we don't want Emma, and since we will be getting duplicates, let's remove one Emma from here. Okay, we don't want to print Emma, we will print John onwards. Okay, so that is what we want to do. So again, we will take a list of string and skip names, names.stream dot skip the first name, and just collect it. Skip names. Okay, let's see how this works. So we have skipped the first name. Okay. Next, what we have is peak. So what peak does is basically it helps in uh, allowing inspection, allowing yeah, inspection of like each element of the stream. Okay, in the stream. So it is helpful in debugging, or so you won't see much of a difference. Okay, so how you would use stream is you would take list of string and peak names. So you take names dot stream dot peak, and it takes a consumer. So you will just take system dot out and println. No, we don't need. Okay, yeah, we need this. Let's just print peak names. Okay, I guess this is coming up. Okay, I don't think so. This was required. Yeah, you don't require this because we are already doing a system.out.println, and let's just run this. And this is the output you're getting. Okay. Next we have is count. So you just need to, we use this when we want to count the number of elements in the stream. So this is an easy one. You will get a long count or any variable you want and just do this. We comment everything and let's just run this. So we have 4 elements in our collection. So that is what we are getting. Okay. Okay. Moving on to the next one, all match. What all match does is it returns true if all elements match the predicate. Okay. So what we are going to do is we will change all the names so that it starts with A. Alice, and let's make it Elena. Okay, Elena. Now we are going to write a condition which will check if all the name starts with A, and which it does because we have made the changes. It will give us true. Okay, it will return true. Now this is going to take a boolean names with A. So names dot stream, and we will do an all match. And as you can see, it takes a predicate. So we are going to check x dot starts with A. And let's just print it. Names with A. So since we have made the changes, it is going to come as true. And here we see it's coming up as true. In case we are making it as Belina. So that kind of does not satisfy the predicate condition. And if we run it now, you will see a false coming up. Okay. Because all the elements are supposed to satisfy this predicate which we have. Okay. Next, we have any match. So this returns true true if any, okay, if any element match the predicate. So if we use the same thing here, let's do a copy and a paste for any match. And let's just comment this. It is going to return a true, right? It is going to return a true because not any, we have four, which is starting with A. Okay, four elements which are starting with A. So this is going to return a true, that's for sure. Sorry, I had to write here any match. Now it is going to return true. Now, in case if I tweak the input and let's call him Victor, Victor, Tim, Pete, and Belina, then we won't see a true. Okay, let's just run this. And we would see a false because none of them match. Okay. Now, coming to the next one, next method, none match. This returns true if none of the elements match the predicate. So we have a perfect example for that, and that is this one itself. Let's copy and paste this and comment this out, and this will be none match. Okay. And this is names with none match. And if we run it, it will give us true. Because if we have a look at the input, none of the names are matching with the predicate, that is, it starts with A. Right. So let's just run this. And there we see true. Okay, so that's all for this video. I know it stretched a bit too far. And let's catch the third part, okay, in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood whatever we discussed in this video.